Okay, here's how you can kick someone from your private server on Roblox. So as you can see, currently there's a person here in my game, and if we want to kick them, here's what we have to do. We have to open up Roblox. Now from the home screen here, we will click on the three dot or the three lines right here, and we'll go into inventory. Now from our inventory, what we're gonna go and do is we're gonna find private servers here and just click on my private servers. Now, depending on which game you have created a private server for, I know that I have created a private server for this game. I'm just going to click on it to open it up. And right here, if you scroll down, you should be able to see your test server. So you can see your player list right here. So that's me and my out account. Now, if you want to kick this person from the game, like I said, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the three dots here and we're going to select shut down the server. So after we have done this, then what we can do, as you can see, it immediately goes off. Now, what we can do is relaunch the server. So we're just gonna join here with our main account, and then this will have kicked the person. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub if it did, and I'll see you next time.